Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you my process in creating a fully illustrated retelling of the classic fairy tales Snow White and Rose Red. I wanted the style to match the tone of the story, so I went with classic dip pen and watercolor illustrations. That's one spread down, but in the end we're gonna need quite a few more illustrations to tell the full story. This project took me about 2 months in between all my other classwork and assignments. But this was a lot of fun, and I'd love to be able to illustrate more children's books in the future. Then I brought them all to the lab with me where we have a much bigger scanner, so I could bring them all in and start the layout. Once I had a good master page set up with some nice spacing type choices made, it was just a case of bringing in all the illustrations and rewriting out the story. I plan to make this into an EPUB or PDF that people can easily read on their Kindle or other devices. But this particular layout I'm setting up so that I can easily print some mini books just at my home printer or at a simple print shop. Off camera, I created a basic cover design, as well as a floral pattern to go in between the cover and the actual story. Once we had it all, I wanted to create at least a couple of copies just at home. I printed the pages just on basic printer paper, and then printed the cover design on a heavier cardstock so it can hold it all together. Then I just had to fold all the sheets by hand, assemble them, punch down the holes with an awl, and sew them all together. This was a really fun process, just to feel like I really made this book start to finish, every little piece of it, even assembly. And here's the final result. Thank you all so much for watching. This was a long project, but so much fun to do. I hope to be able to potentially publish this or bring it to a proper print shop where it can have a better cover and higher quality print, but this was still really nice. Illustrating is my favorite thing to do, and I hope to be able to create projects like this a lot more in the future. Maybe I'll make a collection of classic fairy tales and put them all together into a book. But that's the end of the project for now, so I hope you all have a great day. Take care.